No, forgetting is not part of hypnosis. The influence of the memories, the emotional reactions which is happening till today, that we deal with. No, it is not risky, and yes, it can unlock the hidden memories. That means whatever is there in the unconscious mind, which is not available to the conscious awareness, that comes to your awareness. The people who have frequent seizures, generally we avoid using hypnosis with them. People who are under the influence of liquor or drugs or something like that, we avoid. And people who have brain tumor kind of things, then we don't do it. And people who are coming from defense background, on them, it is very difficult to take them into a trance. Well, you can use with your family members, provided you have the authority over them. Otherwise, you should not do it. It is same as in counseling also. You don't counsel your family members. Then I sit and spend some time with this person to deal with their questions, whatever doubts, whatever myths they have. I need to deal with them first. Only then you can work with the person. Simply, whenever you are comfortable, open your eyes. See, people who are new to this technique, it is preferable to do it one-on-one. But a person who has gone through certain sessions and who is used to it, who knows what it is all about, then online can be done. It is easy. It does help with physical pains, because pain is the language of the body, and the body talks to you through pain. And many a times, if there is no pathology after you do a medical checkup and still there is a pain, that means it is an emotional pain which the body is facing. And hypnosis does beautiful with emotional pains. Yes, definitely. In fact, in any modality that you want to use or get it done on you, if you do not have faith in it, it will not work. Even, and this is true even for allopathy medicines also. Hypnotherapy is not changing your own personal environment. Hypnotherapy does not change the people with whom you have different relationships, like your mother, your father, your brothers, your siblings, your relatives. These things don't change. The dynamics change.
Thank you so much for your time, doctor.
Thank you.